Welcome to this comprehensive guide on beginners Etoro crypto, where we will walk you through the process of getting started with cryptocurrency trading on the Etoro platform. First, let's start with the basics. What is Etoro? Etoro is a social trading platform that allows users to trade a variety of assets including cryptocurrencies, stocks, and commodities. To get started, you need to create an account on the Etoro platform. This can be done by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once your account is created, you will need to verify your identity by providing some identification documents. After your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your account using a variety of payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, or bank transfers. The minimum deposit amount is typically around $50, depending on your location. Now that you have funds in your account, you can start trading cryptocurrencies. Etoro offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You can browse through the available cryptocurrencies and select the one you want to trade. When trading cryptocurrencies on Etoro, you have two options. You can either buy the cryptocurrency outright or use a contract for difference, also known as a CFD. Buying the cryptocurrency outright means you own the asset and can hold it for as long as you want, while a CFD allows you to speculate on the price movement of the asset without actually owning it. One of the key features of Etoro is its social trading feature, which allows you to follow and copy the trades of other successful traders on the platform. This can be a great way to learn from experienced traders and make informed trading decisions. As a beginner, it's essential to start with a solid understanding of the risks involved in cryptocurrency trading. Prices can be volatile, and you can lose some or all of your investment. It's crucial to set a budget, start with small amounts, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, Etoro is a user-friendly platform that makes it easy for beginners to get started with cryptocurrency trading. By following these steps and being aware of the risks involved, you can start your cryptocurrency trading journey with confidence. Remember to always prioritize risk management, stay informed, and never stop learning.